In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to back up WooCommerce. Whether you're managing a large online store or a small e-commerce site, having a reliable backup of your website is absolutely essential. Backups ensure that in the event of an error, a hack, or even accidental data loss, you can quickly restore your store to its previous state without losing crucial data like products, orders, or customer information. Today, I'll walk you through a simple and straightforward way to back up your WooCommerce site using a free WordPress plugin. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a complete backup of your website stored safely. So, let's get started. First, you'll need to log into your WordPress dashboard. To do this, simply type your website's URL into your browser, followed by WP admin. This will bring up the WordPress login page, where you can enter your username and password. Once you're logged in, you'll see the WordPress dashboard, which is the central hub for managing your site. Next, look at the menu on the left-hand side of your dashboard. Scroll down until you see the option labeled Plugins when you find it. Hover your mouse over it, and a small drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, click on Add New. This is where we'll search for and install the plugin that will handle the backup process for us. Once the Add Plugins page loads, you'll see a search bar near the top right corner of the screen. Click into that search bar and type All-in-One WP Migration. In just a moment, the search results will update, and you'll see a list of plugins related to your search. Look for the one called All-in-One WP Migration and Backup. Take a moment to ensure it's the correct plugin by checking the name and the author in the description. When you're sure you found the right plugin, you'll notice a button labeled Install Now next to it. Go ahead and click that. WordPress will now download and install the plugin for you, which should only take a few seconds. Once the installation is complete, the Install Now button will change to say Activate. Click the Activate button to enable the plugin on your site. Now that the plugin is activated, it's time to locate it in your dashboard. If you look at the menu on the left-hand side of your screen again, you should see a new option labeled All-in-One WP Migration. Click on this option to open the plugin settings and tools. Within the plugin's interface, you'll see several options, but for the purpose of creating a backup, we're going to focus on the Export option. Click on Export to begin the process of creating a backup of your WooCommerce site. At this stage, the plugin will give you a few choices for exporting your backup. You can save it as a file directly to your computer, send it to an FTP server, or even upload it to a cloud storage service like Google Drive or Dropbox. Choose the option that works best for your needs. If you're unsure, saving it as a file to your computer is a great starting point. Once you've selected your preferred export format, the plugin will guide you through the remaining steps. Simply follow the prompts on your screen to complete the export process. If you're saving the backup to your computer, you'll be prompted to download the file once it's ready. Be sure to save it in a secure location where you can easily access it later. And that's it. You've successfully backed up your WooCommerce site by following these steps. You've ensured that your store's data is protected and can be restored whenever necessary. It's a good idea to create backups regularly, especially if you're frequently updating your site or adding new products. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.